In this video, I will show you how to add minutes to time in Excel like this using two methods. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have some cells containing time in this column and the number of minutes to add to time in this column. Now I want to add this number of minutes to these time values. For example, for the first row, I want to add 1 minute to the time 1 am. We can add minutes to time using the Excel time function. The time function returns a specific time based on the hour, minute, and second values. This function accepts 3 arguments. I will convert the number of minutes given in this column to time using the time function and then add it to the time specified in this column. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Select the cell containing the time. Type the plus sign for the add operation. Type time followed by an opening bracket. Type 0 as the first number of hours argument of the time function. Type a comma and then select the cell containing minutes as the second argument, followed by a comma and then 0 as the second argument of the time function. Type the closing bracket of the time function and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, minutes are added to the specified time values. The first row adds 1 minute to the time, while the second row adds 15 minutes to the time. If the number of minutes to add is greater than the total number of minutes in a day, which is 1440 minutes, the time rolls over, as we can see from rows 4 and 5. We can also add minutes to time without using any Excel built-in functions. Excel stores time as a fractional value of 1 day having 24 hours. So 1 hour of time is 1 divided by 24 and 12 hours of time is 12 divided 24, which is 0.5. There are 60 minutes in each hour, so there are total of 1440 minutes in a day. So 1 minute of time is 1 divided by 1440 and 60 minutes is 60 divided by 1440. To add minutes to time, first we need to divide the number of minutes by 1440, which is the total number of minutes in a day, and then add that value to the time using the plus operator. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Select the cell containing time followed by the plus sign. Select the cell containing the number of minutes. Type the division operator / followed by the number 1440. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, minutes are added to the specified time values. Similar to the first method, using the time function, the time rolls over if the number of minutes is greater than 1440, which is the total number of minutes in a day, as we can see from rows 4 and 5. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.